Practice. Practice, 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 and practice some more. And not just the technical side, but put a lot of emphasis and practice on the mental side as well. Traders think that, and I did this too. It's so easy. All you have to do is buy low and sell high, but it really isn't. And you really need to go through and practice. And I hear traders tell me all the time, hey, if it doesn't have money behind it, it's not worth it. I'm not interested. And my response is, well, if you don't have the mental fortitude to be able to trade, simulation trade or paper trade or practice trade without money on the line, man, you're not going to be able to, you don't have the mental fortitude to trade with real money either. And so I think that is a really, really important thing to do, is to practice as much as you can.
There are so many people, I think this is most important. It was true for me, I'm sure it'll be true for most people, is that when you first get into the business of trading, right, there is so much negativity. Now, some people think this business doesn't even work, right? And to think that, the 1% of the population that pretty much control everything come from a finance background. Well, in the United Kingdom, that is very, very true. Maybe in other places it's different, but in the UK, it's 100% true. I always say to guys that, listen, ignore the negativity. You have to be sure of yourself. It's the kind of business that requires confidence. So if you want to succeed, you've got to be, beyond everything else, you have to be able to shut out the noise, because half the people talking to you, they don't know anything about trading, right? They're just talking. So the bottom line is, if you can shut out the noise, then you have a very high chance of success, because most people don't succeed because they listen to the noise around them. So I think that's the most important, that's the only thing I'll say to a trader. If you want to succeed, shut out the noise. If you take in the noise, I can almost guarantee it. It's like you're digging your own grave, just slowly, right? So you'll try, but ultimately you've got to shut out the noise. And I think that's important.
Understand